Have you ever pondered about the origin of life on Earth? It's a question that has intrigued scientists and philosophers alike for centuries. Yet, despite countless theories and extensive research, the origin of life remains one of the greatest mysteries in science. Picture this. Around 3.9 billion years ago, our planet was home to a single primitive life form. Quite a humble beginning, wouldn't you agree? This life form wasn't much to look at, but it marked the start of an incredible journey. This journey of evolution, from a simple primitive being to the myriad of complex species that inhabit our world today, is a tale of epic proportions. Just imagine, all life as we know it, from the smallest microbe to the largest whale, evolved from this one ancestor. But here's the million-dollar question. How did this transformation occur? How did this single life form evolve into the diverse species we see today? So if life started from a single life form, how did it evolve into the diverse species we see today? There are several theories about how life evolved from its humble beginnings. One such theory is the RNA world hypothesis. This theory proposes that early life forms were based on RNA, a molecule similar to DNA. RNA, or ribonucleic acid, is unique in its ability to both store genetic information and catalyze chemical reactions. This dual function could have allowed RNA to play a pivotal role in the early stages of life, acting as both the genetic material and the machinery that drives life's processes. Now, let's shift our focus to another theory, the protein world hypothesis. This theory argues that life began with proteins rather than RNA. Proteins are complex molecules that perform a vast array of functions within living organisms, from catalyzing metabolic reactions to replicating DNA. Proponents of the protein world hypothesis suggest that these versatile molecules could have been the original building blocks of life, setting the stage for the evolution of more complex life forms. But when did life first appear on Earth? Fossil evidence suggests that life may have emerged as early as 4.28 billion years ago. These ancient fossils, preserved in rocks, provide a tantalizing glimpse into our planet's distant past and the earliest life forms that inhabited it. The RNA and protein world hypotheses offer intriguing perspectives on how life might have evolved from simple molecules to complex organisms. Yet these theories are just part of the puzzle. The story of life's evolution is far from complete, and many mysteries still remain. From the RNA and protein world hypotheses, we get a glimpse of the early evolution of life. But could life have originated elsewhere? There's a fascinating concept called panspermia, suggesting life might not be exclusive to Earth. Panspermia, derived from the Greek words pan meaning all and sperma meaning seed, posits that life in its most basic forms could be widespread throughout the universe, transported on comets, asteroids, and interstellar dust particles. Imagine, if you will, a cosmic game of pinball. A comet or asteroid strikes a planet, kicking up clouds of debris. Some of this debris, carrying microscopic life forms, is ejected into space. Over vast stretches of time and distance, these life-bearing particles could potentially land on other planets, seeding them with life. Of course, this theory doesn't answer the question of how life originated in the first place, but it does offer a compelling possibility that Earth may not be the only stage where the drama of life unfolds. It also underscores the resilience of life, able to survive the harsh conditions of space and the violent impact of planetary landing. If life could have been transported between planets, it raises the question, what were the conditions on Earth that allowed life to thrive? The environment of the early Earth was a cradle for nurturing life. Now, try to imagine a world vastly different from the one we know today. A world engulfed in a period known as the Late Heavy Bombardment, roughly between 3.8 and 4.1 billion years ago. During this tumultuous era, our planet was subjected to a relentless shower of asteroids, a cosmic hailstorm that may have sterilized the Earth's surface. Yet even in the aftermath of such cosmic chaos, life found a way to emerge. The key to this resilience? The evolution of Earth's atmosphere. In the early days, our planet's atmosphere was likely a swirling mix of nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor, with little to no free oxygen. But this was about to change, thanks to some of the smallest organisms on Earth, the cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are microscopic life forms that have a significant role in our planet's history. Through a process called photosynthesis, they began to release oxygen into the atmosphere. This influx of oxygen was a game changer. It not only altered the composition of the atmosphere, but also paved the way for the development of more complex life forms that relied on oxygen for survival. The evolution of the Earth's atmosphere, the transformation of its composition, and the role of cyanobacteria in producing oxygen. These were all crucial factors in the development of life. These conditions, coupled with the resilience of life in the face of adversity, led to a world teeming with a diverse array of organisms. Our planet's early environment was not just a backdrop to the story of life's origin. It was an active participant, setting the stage, providing the right conditions, and even playing a part in the drama of life's evolution. It's a testament to the incredible adaptability and tenacity of life, able to rise from the ashes of cosmic bombardment and thrive in an ever-changing world. The early Earth provided the right conditions for life to flourish, but how did our understanding of life's origin evolve? Historically, we have been trying to understand the origin of life for centuries. This quest for knowledge has taken us on a fascinating journey through time and across disciplines. Let's take a trip down memory lane to the 19th century, to the time of Charles Darwin. Darwin, known for his theory of evolution, suggested that life originated in a warm little pond with all sorts of ammonia and phosphoric salts, light, heat, electricity, and so on present. He believed that protein compounds were chemically formed, ready to undergo more complex changes. Fast forward to the 20th century, we meet two remarkable scientists, Alexander Oparin and J.B.S. Haldane. Independently, they proposed similar ideas about the origin of life. They both suggested that the early Earth had a reducing atmosphere, with methane, ammonia, water, and hydrogen. This environment, they posited, was conducive to the formation of organic compounds, which could then self-assemble into primitive life forms, a theory known as abiogenesis. Oparin went a step further, proposing that these organic compounds could form coacervates, droplets that could grow and divide, serving as precursors to cells. Haldane, on the other hand, introduced the concept of the primordial soup, a hypothetical sea of organic molecules from which life could have originated. These theories laid the groundwork for modern research into the origin of life. They provided a starting point for scientists to delve deeper, to explore the mysteries of how life could have sprung from non-life. It's important to remember that these are just theories, pieces of a larger, still incomplete puzzle. We're continually gathering new pieces, refining old ones, and sometimes finding pieces we didn't even know we were missing. In the quest to uncover life's origin, we have come a long way, but the journey is far from over. The search for answers about life's origin is a scientific journey that continues to this day. This unending quest is a testament to our innate curiosity and our longing to understand our place in the cosmos. We've delved into the mystery of life's origin, exploring various hypotheses, yet definitive facts remain elusive. We've pondered the possibility that all life on Earth evolved from a single, primitive life form around 3.9 billion years ago. We've grappled with key theories like the RNA world hypothesis and the protein world hypothesis, each offering intriguing insights into the early evolution of life. Our journey took us beyond Earth as we considered the concept of panspermia, the idea that life may have been transported between planets, challenging our Earth-centric view of life's origin. It's a concept that expands our understanding of life and its potential existence beyond our home planet. We've also explored the early Earth environment, understanding the crucial role of cyanobacteria in producing oxygen, and how the evolution of Earth's atmosphere played a pivotal role in the development of life. The composition of the early oceans and the environment of the early Earth provide crucial clues to the conditions that may have supported life's inception. Our quest led us to historical perspectives on life's origin, tracing back to Charles Darwin, and further developed by scientists like Alexander Oparin and J.B.S. Haldane. These perspectives have shaped our current understanding and continue to influence ongoing research. The pursuit of knowledge about life's origin is of paramount importance. It not only helps us comprehend our past, but also guides our future explorations and discoveries. It's a field of study that's ever evolving, and each new piece of information brings us one step closer to unraveling the mystery. As we continue to explore the mysteries of life's origin, we get closer to understanding our place in the universe. The quest is far from over, but with each new discovery, each new theory, we inch closer to the answers we seek. The journey is as fascinating as the destination itself, a testament to the unending quest for knowledge that defines us as a species.